The 1986 Volkswagen Fusca, commonly known as the VW Beetle in many parts of the world, represents the final year of the classic Beetle's production in Brazil before its transition to the modern era. Known for its unique design, robust build, and enduring appeal, the Fusca remains an iconic symbol of automotive history. Historical context. The Volkswagen Beetle's origins trace back to the 1930s when Ferdinand Porsche was commissioned to design a people's car by the German government. The original Beetle was introduced in 1938, and over the decades, it became one of the best-selling cars in history. By the 1980s, the Beetle had undergone numerous updates and refinements. The 1986 model is particularly significant as it marks the end of the classic Beetle's production in Brazil. This final version is a reflection of decades of engineering improvements and adaptations to changing automotive standards. Design and features. The 1986 Fusca retains the iconic rounded shape and distinctive rear-engine layout of its predecessors. Its classic design includes large, expressive headlights and a curved roofline that has become synonymous with the Beetle. Inside, the 1986 Fusca features a minimalist and functional dashboard with straightforward controls. The cabin is known for its surprisingly spacious feel despite its compact size. Upholstery options typically include fabric or vinyl, with a straightforward but comfortable seating arrangement. Powered by a 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine, the 1986 Fusca delivers modest but reliable performance. This engine is known for its durability and simplicity, contributing to the Beetle's reputation for low maintenance costs and longevity. Engineering and mechanical aspects. The air-cooled engine of the 1986 Fusca was a continuation of the Beetle's traditional design. Although it lacks the power and efficiency of modern engines, it provides sufficient performance for everyday driving and is celebrated for its reliability. The 1986 Fusca typically comes with a 4-speed manual transmission, which complements the car's straightforward mechanical setup. The manual gearbox is known for its engaging driving experience and durability. The Fusca's suspension system includes a torsion bar setup at the rear, which contributes to its distinctive handling characteristics. This design provides a smooth ride, but may feel less refined compared to modern suspension systems. Cultural impact. The Volkswagen Fusca has had a significant cultural impact, especially in Brazil where it was affectionately known as the Fusca, a slang term for a Beetle. It symbolizes the era's simplicity and practicality, making it a beloved classic. The Beetle has appeared in numerous films, television shows, and advertisements, often symbolizing retro charm and whimsy. Its distinctive design and cultural significance continue to influence automotive design and popular culture. Restoration and collectability. The 1986 Fusca is a popular choice for restoration enthusiasts due to its robust build and relatively simple mechanics. Common restoration projects involve updating the paint, refurbishing the interior, and addressing any mechanical issues. As the final production year of the classic Beetle in Brazil, the 1986 Fusca holds a special place among collectors. Its historical significance, combined with its enduring charm, makes it a sought-after vehicle in the classic car market. Conclusion. The 1986 Volkswagen Fusca represents the end of an era for the classic Beetle in Brazil. Its unique design, reliable engineering, and cultural significance have cemented its place as an iconic classic car. Whether as a collectible, a restoration project, or simply a nostalgic ride, the 1986 Fusca continues to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world.